In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create API key in Google AI Studio step-by-step tutorial. An API key is a unique identifier your app uses to talk to Google's AI services. Treat it like a password, never share it publicly, don't paste it into screenshots, and avoid committing it to version control. You'll need a Google account and access to Google AI Studio. Depending on your usage, you may also need billing enabled in your Google Cloud project. Start by opening your browser and going to istudio.google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Studio interface where you can explore prompts and models. We're here for keys, so look toward the navigation for the API keys section. It may appear as API keys, Get API key, or a similar label in the sidebar or header. Click there to open the keys page. On the API keys page, look for the option to create a new key. It's usually a prominent button labeled Create Key. Clicking it opens a dialog or panel where you'll set the basics for your key. This keeps your keys organized and linked to the right project resources. Give your key a clear, descriptive name. Think about how you'll use it. For example, staging backend or mobile client dev. Good naming makes audits and rotation easier later. Next, choose the Google Cloud project you want this key to belong to. The project determines where usage and billing are tracked, as well as which resources the key can access. If you manage multiple environments, double-check that you're selecting the correct project to avoid mixing development and production traffic. When everything looks right, click Create Key. In a moment, you'll see your new API key. Copy it immediately and store it securely, such as in a secrets manager or as an environment variable on your server. Remember, this value may be shown only once. If you lose it, you can always generate another key and delete the old one. Avoid placing the key directly in client-side code when possible. Proxy requests through a backend to keep the key private. If the console offers restrictions, consider scoping your key to specific APIs or environments to limit risk. That's it. Your key is ready to use with Google's AI services. Use it in your application's configuration, keep it private, and rotate it periodically as part of your security hygiene. If anything changes in the interface, the general flow remains the same. Open AI Studio, go to API Keys, create a key, name it, pick the right project, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy building.